So, how do you change your email password? Look, it's actually pretty simple once you know where to click. I'm gonna show you with Gmail since that's what most people use, but this works basically the same everywhere. First thing, go to gmail.com and log in like normal. Once you're in there, look for your little profile picture up in the corner. Click that and you'll see a bunch of options. Pick the one that says Manage your Google account. Now you're in the settings area. See that menu on the left? Click Security. Then scroll down a bit until you find where it talks about signing into Google. The password option is sitting right there. Two boxes show up for your new password. Put something strong in the first one. Mix of letters, numbers, symbols, the whole deal. At least 8 characters, or Google gets cranky. Then type the exact same thing in the second box so you don't mess it up. Hit change password, and boom, you're done. Google sends you an email about it too, which is nice, because then you know it actually worked. But here's what trips people up. Your phone and other devices are still trying to use the old password, so they're gonna start complaining. Go into your phone settings, find where it lists your accounts, tap on Gmail, and update it with the new password. Same deal with your laptop, tablet, whatever else checks your email. Just don't forget about updating your devices or you'll be stuck.